Hello, it's Mama Mo here.
Welcome to the Strawberry series, where I showcase many treats made out of strawberry. Welcome to my backyard, and this is the final video for our strawberry series. What better way to celebrate than having a strawberry drink? But first, let's get some fresh mints. I have here my picture, and we are going to make a strawberry mojito mocktail. Here's the bowl full of fresh strawberries, the fresh mint from the backyard, lime juice, and Sprite. Put the strawberries into the pitcher, then using your muddler, shout out to Candy for this butterroll that I'm using as a muddler. Get out the juice from the strawberry, and then we add the lime juice. Don't put all of it first. Now mix, and put in the mint, which we also muddle up. Don't break the leaves. Now we're going to add the Sprite. If you think that you want it more tart, you can add the remaining lime juice. It's up to you. If you're of drinking age, you can add rum to this and make it a real mojito.
Let's give it a stir.
Even kids can try this non-alcoholic version. It's very refreshing, especially when it's chilled. Garnish up your drinking glasses with strawberries and lime.
Ooh, look at this. So exciting. Cheers to you. Tastes good. I think I'm going to make it into a real mojito.
I hope you enjoyed watching my strawberry series videos. Thank you!